How does regional identity shape the concept of Scandinavia? Have you ever wondered what makes Scandinavia so unique? The answer lies in its regional identity, which shapes the concept of Scandinavia in many ways. At its core, Scandinavia traditionally includes Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. These three countries share a rich historical connection that dates back to their Viking heritage. This shared past creates a strong sense of belonging among their peoples. Geographically, Scandinavia is often linked to the Scandinavian Peninsula. This area mainly consists of Norway and Sweden, while Denmark is located on the Jutland Peninsula along with nearby islands. The physical landscape, filled with fjords, forests, and plains, plays a big role in shaping a regional identity that is closely tied to nature and the environment. When it comes to language, the Scandinavian languages, Danish, Norwegian, and Swedish, are closely related. They belong to the North Germanic language family and are mutually intelligible to varying degrees. This linguistic similarity reinforces a sense of community and cultural cohesion among the people. Sometimes, the term Scandinavia gets mixed up with the Nordic region, which includes Finland, Iceland, and territories like the Faroe Islands and Åland. However, from a Scandinavian viewpoint, these countries are distinct due to differences in language and historical development. Scandinavians often highlight their unique social and political culture, which includes values such as equality, strong social welfare systems, and environmental responsibility. Regional identity also shapes how Scandinavia is viewed both internally and externally. Within Scandinavia, there is a strong pride in social models that promote education and quality of life. These are seen as defining features of the region. On the global stage, the Scandinavian identity influences perceptions of design, innovation, and sustainability, showcasing a balance between tradition and modernity. In practical terms, this regional identity encourages cooperation among the Scandinavian countries in various areas, such as politics, economics, and culture. For instance, the Nordic Council facilitates collaboration among these nations. This shared identity also informs how Scandinavians approach issues like environmental stewardship and social policy, reinforcing a collective mindset rooted in their common history and values. So, regional identity shapes Scandinavia by defining its boundaries, fostering a common language and culture, and guiding social and political ideals that set it apart from neighboring regions. It also influences how Scandinavians relate to the broader Nordic context, making the concept of Scandinavia rich and multifaceted.